the email address, you can again use any email address that you want. I'm going to use yeah, again, it's like here. This is my main example and nature. Here, I'm using this one. You can actually create multiple images like I can use this one, plus 3 video original. Okay. So before that, then you can add like this one plus 100 and we can create variable that create find original pair of